Have you ever felt like the smallest iPad always gets left behind? Well, that is about to change forever. For years, Apple has treated the iPad mini like an afterthought. We usually get a minor processor bump or a slight color change, but not this time. The iPad mini 8 is shaping up to be the biggest shift this lineup has seen in years. This is not just another boring update. Apple is completely rethinking what their smallest tablet can do, and the changes are focused exactly where they matter most. Get ready, because the tiny Titan is about to pack a massive punch. Let us start with the one thing you look at every single second: the display. The iPad mini has been stuck with traditional LCD panels for a long time. They are fine, but they are not amazing. Now Apple is expected to finally drop the old LCD panel entirely. They are moving to a stunning 8.3-inch OLED screen. That single change alters everything. OLED brings true deep blacks. It brings much stronger contrast and richer, vibrant colors. Every video you watch will look sharper. Darker scenes will finally feel real and immersive. The overall visual quality will jump to a level we usually see on the expensive iPad Pro. For a device this small, that is a huge upgrade. It completely changes how the iPad feels in daily use. Reading will be crisper. Editing photos will be far more accurate. What makes this even more interesting is Apple's strategy. Instead of bringing OLED to the mid-range iPad Air first, they are testing it right here on the Mini. That might sound odd, but it makes perfect sense. The Mini sells in smaller numbers compared to the Air. That makes it a much safer place to try new tech. If something goes wrong with manufacturing, the impact is limited. Apple can refine the entire process here, then push it to bigger devices later. It is a brilliant, controlled experiment, but a beautiful screen needs serious power behind it. The iPad mini 8 is rumored to run on the brand new A19 Pro chip. This is the exact same silicon expected in the top-tier iPhones. This means blazing, fast speed, smoother performance, and much better battery efficiency. Apps will open instantly. Multitasking will feel clean and completely stable. Heavy games will run without a single drop of lag. But the bigger focus here is future readiness. This chip is built with advanced AI features heavily in mind. Artificial intelligence is the future. Even if current AI tools feel basic right now, Apple is clearly preparing for what comes next. This device is built to handle complex AI tasks locally for many years to come. It is built to stay relevant long after you buy it. Then comes the most unexpected change of all: the audio. Reports strongly suggest Apple might remove the speaker grills completely on the iPad mini 8. Yes, 0 speaker holes. Instead of traditional speakers, the iPad could use a vibration-based sound system. The metal body of the tablet itself will actually produce the sound. It will vibrate to create audio waves. This is a very bold move. We do not usually see this in mainstream tablets. There is a clear advantage here. Without speaker holes, the device becomes much more sealed. That means significantly better resistance to water and dust. However, there is also a major risk involved. Sound quality could fundamentally change. How you hold the iPad might directly affect the audio experience. If your hands block certain areas, the sound could suddenly feel weaker or uneven. It is a smart idea, but a very risky one for daily use. On the outside, do not expect a dramatic redesign. Apple will likely keep the same clean, modern look. You will still get thin bezels, flat edges, and the familiar compact size. Touch ID will stay exactly where it is in the top power button. It is fast and highly reliable. There could be some small physical improvements, though. We might see even slimmer bezels around the new display. We could also see a slightly thinner overall body because OLED panels are lighter and thinner than LCD panels. So it will look very similar, but feel slightly more premium and refined in your hands. Now, when is this coming? Current leaks firmly point to the second half of 2026. Most likely, we will see it around September or October. It will launch right alongside major releases like the new iPhone 18 lineup. Apple usually stacks big announcements in the fall, and this fits perfectly into that timeline. But big upgrades come with a bigger cost. The current friendly $499 starting price may not survive this cycle. Reports heavily suggest the base price could jump to $599 or even higher. That is a very noticeable increase for a small tablet. So now it all comes down to this. You get a vastly better OLED display, stronger performance, and a bold new audio system. But you pay a much higher price. Is it actually worth it? In my honest opinion, yes, it will definitely be worth it for a specific type of user. If you heavily rely on your iPad mini for reading, gaming, and watching media on the go, the OLED screen alone completely justifies the upgrade. The visual jump will be incredible. The A19 Pro chip guarantees it will last for years without slowing down. But the price hike is tough to swallow. If you just need a basic tablet for simple web browsing, the older models will still be perfectly fine. But if you want a premium, highly powerful device that easily fits in one hand, the iPad mini 8 will be the absolute undisputed king of small tablets. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.